This video will continue the discussion of CNC operation for case parts and focus specifically on part templates. Part templates are used to add automatic operations to a type of part independent of its joinery. For example, you may want to add CNC operations to the tops and base cabinets, the backs on wall cabinets, toe kick on tall cabinets, or just to a front stretcher in all the base cabinets. For some practical examples using part templates, we'll demonstrate how to add holes in the ends for alignment on frameless cabinets, add holes in the bottoms of base and tall cabinets for leg levelers, and add notches in the end panels of wall cabinets for hanging brackets. Now let's take a look at how part templates work. They're located in the hardware library, since they're primarily used for hardware mounting. So select Libraries from the main menu, select Hardware, and then select Part Templates under the Case Fasteners category. Here you can create a new template or select from the existing templates for edit. Typically, you have a template for each of your construction methods. For example, for your frame, frameless, closets, whatever defines your different types of construction, you would have typically a unique part template for those construction methods. Each part template allows you to specify special operations for each case part type. For the base cabinets, for the wall cabinets, and for the tall cabinets, such that each part in each type of cabinet can be called out and specified separately. Here we see, for tall cabinets, the bottoms have operations specified. Let's select that bottom, and we can see there's holes drilled here. These are for leg levelers. You can also see the wall cabinets have no operations on the bottoms. However, the base cabinets also have the same operations for leg levelers on the bottoms. The bottom section of this template window describes the user-defined parameters that can be used in describing the operations in these parts. There are 6 parameters, fastener 1 through 6. Each has a value and a description. For example, fastener 1's been defined as leg inset, used for the holes on the leg levelers on the bottom for the inset. The second parameter has been defined as hole diameter at a 1/2 inch, also being used for leg levelers. So let's take a look at that part on the bottom and see how those parameters are used. Now if we select one of these hole operations in this part type bottom and take a look, we can see it's located at 2 inches here from the left, but there's a formula applied to it and it's using fastener 1 parameter, which is defined at 2 inches. Also, the hole on the right has a formula. It's defined as the part length minus fastener 1, which is defined as 2 inches. So if later on we change the value of fastener 1 to something other than 2 inches, all the hole positions in all the bottom parts in the base and tall cabinets will move according to the value of that parameter. In a similar fashion, we can see the parameter of fastener 2 has a value of 1/2 inch. Let's see how that's used in this part. Edit the part once again, select a hole, and we'll select the diameter parameter and see that it's using a formula using fastener 2, which is defined to be 1/2 inch. Therefore, the diameter of all these holes will be 1/2 inch. So if we were to later change that, automatically all the holes in the job would be changed. And here we can see the resulting holes in the bottom. Let's look at another example. We'll select the wall type cabinets and select the left unfinished end. Edit that. We can see there's been an operation added to this part. This is for hangers, wall cabinet hangers. It's simply a groove or dado operation, 1/4 inch wide, 1.5 inches in length, placed at this position on the part. And once again, you could write formulas to position this automatically or place it statically. And here, if we remove the back, we can see the operation for the slot, for the hanger, on the unfinished end. Let's look at one final example. We'll add alignment holes for our frameless cabinets to the unfinished ends. Let's select the right unfinished end. We're going to add a hole. We'll position it at 3 inches X, Y 4 inches. We'll give it a diameter of 1/4 inch and a depth of 3/4, so it'll be a full through hole. And now we have an alignment hole added to the unfinished end on the right. We do the same thing for the left, and also the same thing for the tall cabinet. And here we can see the resulting through hole for cabinet alignment. Most importantly, how do we select the proper part template to use in each of our construction methods? That's contained in the parameters. So select Libraries, Parameters, select the Fasteners category, and the CNC Panel Fasteners parameter. The Panel Fastener parameter is where you select your part template. As you can see, these are the templates we created for closets, for frameless construction, such that this particular construction method now will include those part templates.